Hey, Jillian here. We're at day 3 of the AO retreat at the Hard Rock here in Cabo. Let's come check it out.
After an incredible action-packed few days, our leaders took day 3 to chill out by the pool, connecting with old friends and making new ones.
You guys hear the vibes, you guys see the vibes, we're living it. Thank you, AO, for this all-inclusive, amazing trip. I can't wait to see all of you guys here next time. AO, let's grow, baby.
So we out here heard that there's gonna be a water balloon fight. Obviously, you know if you're not first, you're last. Heard it's gonna be an all-out war. I guess you know who's coming out on top. Let's get it.
What's up, AO? Ashley Rust here. I'm enjoying Cabo with everybody here at AO. We had a nice basketball competition earlier today, and I whooped on Andrew Haskins. You better ask him about it. But we're having a great time. You guys should be here. Let's go.
Leaving behind the battle on the court, some of our leaders took this opportunity to head out of the hotel to have a match of their own.
Folks, we're on the Jack Nicklaus Golf Course, hitting some golf balls. You guys having a good time? Yeah! Come on.
Hello, AO, Riley here, coming from Cabo, Mexico. We are playing golf. It is beautiful out. Guys, if you're not here, make sure you make it to the next one because you do not want to miss this.
As the sun began to set, one of our leaders, Nicola Lugerai, planned a special surprise for his girlfriend, Francesca.
You walk in front of me a little bit.
One step closer.
All right, stop right there. Look down at your feet. Because those are the last footsteps you take as my girlfriend. Francesca. Will you marry me?
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
This isn't real.
It is.
There's no way.
It is.
As the day wound down, we went out for dinner with our no matter what people to La Rosa Negra, a restaurant that delivers a culinary experience like no other.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
That's been it for day 3 at the Cabo AO retreat, and we can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. AO, let's grow.